Namaskar aspirants. This video is the continuation of MCQ series on motor design and its components. Without wasting our time, let's start. Our first question is: a diesel engine with a full speed of 1000 rpm drives a propeller at 300 rpm. What is the speed reduction ratio? Here the engine speed is given as 1000 rpm and the propeller speed is given as 300 rpm. Here the speed is being reduced from 1000 to 300 rpm, so the reduction ratio will be 3.33 to 1, which we will get by dividing 1000 by 300. Which of the listed design features is most common to a two-stroke cycle low-speed main propulsion diesel engine? Crosshead construction, cross-scavenging airflow, trunk-type piston, single reduction gearing. The most common one is crosshead construction. Why is the ring belt narrower in diameter than skirt of a piston designed for a diesel engine? To allow for greater expansion due to higher operating temperature, to seal the cylinder against leakage of combustion gases, to provide an additional surface for oil cooling, to provide additional strength for crown and low structure. The answer should be to allow for greater expansion due to higher operating temperature. Let's see how the ring belt in piston looks like. This is the ring belt, and this is the piston crown, this is the skirt, and this is the pin boss. Here gudgeon pin is installed. Now our next question is: which statement about diesel engine combustion is true? Combustion does not begin until the piston starts down on the power stroke. Maximum combustion pressure is reached before TDC. Turbulence in the cylinder causes a delay in ignition. Maximum cylinder firing pressure is not developed until the piston passes TDC. This should be the correct answer. Let's have a look of pressure diagram of IC engine. You can see in this diagram the maximum pressure is over here, and this is after TDC. Hence, the correct option is maximum cylinder firing pressure is not developed until the piston passes TDC. The diameter of a piston is usually less at the crown than at the skirt in order to facilitate the installation of piston rings, allow for the expansion of the piston during operation, prevent crankcase vapors from entering the combustion chamber, reduce wearing of the upper cylinder liner. Its answer should be allow for the expansion of the piston during operation, because the upper part of the piston is at high temperature compared to the lower part of the piston. Hence the expansion at the upper portion will be higher than the lower portion. Hence that's why piston is usually less at the crown. Piston diameter is usually less at the crown than at the skirt. Why are some diesel engine cylinders plated on the wearing surface with porous chromium? The and the options are: the chromium will not wear out the piston rings, the chromium eliminates the need for oil scraper rings, the chromium strengthens the liner in the way of the scavenged air ports, ports in the plating aid in maintaining the lube oil film. The correct answer should be ports in the plating aid in maintaining the lube oil film. The fuel injection pumps on a diesel engine are controlled by a linkage system attached to the governor. The governor controls the fuel injection pumps. How much fuel will be injected? It controls the amount of fuel being injected. Let's have a look of the governor. This is a governor. Yes. This is an image of the governor. It's an old type of governor. When it rotates, it controls the opening and closing of the fuel valve. The amount of opening and closing, you can see this is an image of a governor controlled throttle valve. It's usually used in motorcycle and a spark ignition engine. What type of fitting is to be used on diesel engine fuel injection line piping? Extra heavy. It should be extra heavy type. The ability of a fuel particles to travel into the combustion chamber before burning it is called penetration. Theoretical perfect combustion in a diesel engine yields byproduct of a perfect combustion yields byproduct of water vapor and carbon dioxide, because diesel oil is a mixture, is a hydrocarbon, where hydrogen creates water vapor mixing with, combining with oxygen, and carbon creates carbon dioxide when the complete combustion happens and a perfect combustion happens. That's all for today. See you soon.